So this is the summary video for lab 4.2. In this lab we were tasked with doing a DOS attack via EtherCAT on a target machine, as well as SYN flooding the machine from the Metasploit console. So I'm going to show you what I did for that. First things first, we're going to boot up Wireshark, just so we can see that it is going to successfully execute the attack. Next, we are going to get a terminal open, and then we are going to start up EtherCAT, minimize this. Okay, so now we are going to scan for hosts, and that is going to be picked up in Wireshark. Host lists, here's the host, here's the IP for the Ubuntu machine that I'm attacking. Here's the default gateway for the Ubuntu machine. So we're going to add the IP to target 1, gateway target 2. Next we're going to open up the plugins, and then we are going to select the DOS attack on the plugin. We are going to then enter the IP of the victim machine, which again is 192.16. Oops. No, I did type that right. 168.100.5. And the unused IP, we're going to just enter the Kali IP 100.8 and hit OK, and that's going to start the attack. And as you can see over here, the attack has started, and it's, as you can see, it's picking up that there's an attack going. There's the Ubuntu machine, here's our machine, so here's the SYN. So yeah, that's for that. So we're going to close this, quit without saving. Now we're going to do the second part of the attack, which is the SYN flood through Metasploit. So we are going to boot up the Metasploit console. I was able to find a SYN flooding exploit to use, and it's actually an auxiliary module. So we're going to do use, tab it out, auxiliary DOS/TCP/SYN flood. So we have that loaded. We're going to do a show options to see what we need to set. Looks like we just need to do, we're going to do our remote host and the remote port. So we're going to do set our host, tap it out. We're going to set that to the Ubuntu machine 192.168.100.5. We're going to set our port to 444, and then all we have to do is hit exploit. But before we do that, we're going to boot Wireshark back up again, so we can see that the attack works here as well. So we're going to start capturing traffic. We are going to come back here, exploit, and it's going to start launching a bunch of these SYN packets towards that Ubuntu machine. It's SYN flooding the machine, so this attack is in fact working as well. So this was, and you can see down here, SYN flooding the IP and port of the Ubuntu machine. So that was basically the summary video for lab 4.2, and thank you for watching.